automated grading machine processes guinea fowl eggs, scanning for cracks and weight. The system then directs each egg to the appropriate output channel.
Every day, thousands of guinea fowl begin their lives here at the hatchery, a carefully monitored process ensuring the next generation thrives.
Checking the chest palpation now. Good muscle mass. Plumage is healthy, no signs of parasites. Keep them moving to the left. Careful with that stack. Bring that pallet forward now. Careful on the ramp, watch the sides. We need 2 more stacks for the back here.
We need these crates on the left truck first.
Got it, moving them over.
Load the rest in truck 2. Put the thermal blankets on top.
The process flow takes the guinea fowl from the grow-out house through transport and processing, including cutting and packing.
The protein content in batch 3 seems elevated.
We need to verify the nitrogen levels.
Comparing the nutritional data, guinea fowl consistently outperforms chicken in protein, fat content, and essential minerals.
Look at the peaks on this chromatogram.
That validates the premium status we hypothesized.
Analyzing the data here at the factory process lab, we found surprising differences in the nutritional content of these 2 eggs.
As you can see under the lab lighting, the guinea fowl presents a distinct dark red-brown flesh. This visual difference is evident.
These figures suggest we can improve feed conversion by optimizing this gene sequence.
Agreed. The data supports a change in the breeding protocol.
Our analysis confirms significant improvements in land efficiency and water usage. The carbon footprint is trending downwards.
The feed conversion ratio seems higher in this group.
Agreed. We should adjust the protein levels for the next cohort.
The automated feeder response time is improving.
Let's cross-reference the consumption rate against the new mixture.
It looks stable across all metrics now.
How long on the guinea fowl, chef?
5 minutes, chef. Plating the garnish now. First, we separate the breast from the carcass, ensuring a clean cut for the fine dining presentation.
This is the guinea fowl, raised free range.
Yeah.
The meat is lean, flavorful, and incredibly versatile.
How does it compare to
The premium pricing of guinea fowl reflects its superior flavor and nutrition. At $12.98 a pound,
The packaging seal looks good, and the lot number matches the manifest.
Confirmed. We can approve this batch for export certification.
The factory process data clearly shows a gap in the premium poultry market. We position the guinea fowl here.
this new packaging design emphasizes
Right here is where the femur connects. A clean cut through this joint is essential for a professional presentation.
This is our signature guinea fowl ballotine, pan-seared and served with a light juice.
The flavor is
These look perfect, very consistent quality.
Yeah. We'll get them into storage immediately.
Welcome to Factory Process. From the wild bird in Africa to the fine dining plate, we ensure quality at every stage. Welcome to the factory process. We believe that prioritizing natural behaviors is key to sustainable and ethical guinea fowl farming. Welcome back to Factory Process. Today, we examine how these wild birds became one of the most efficiently farmed poultry species on the continent.
This is divine. Sure.
This is the story of the guinea fowl. From its wild origins, we track its transition through the factory process.
Wow, this tastes incredible. It's so much richer than chicken.
I know, right? It's a completely different flavor.
To secure the future of commercial guinea fowl production, we must prioritize innovation and collaboration across all sectors represented here today.
Examining the annual production volume, the revenue streams demonstrate substantial increases, highlighting the economic and social impact.
Here at Factory Process, we examine how selective breeding transformed the rugged wild egg into the standardized commercial product you see today.